Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Welcome to Sara Pakistan. Today we are solving exercise 1C question number 5, and we have to do the comparison between these two equations. Let's solve the first equation. Ax square minus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square minus bx plus c equal to 0. You will get x square minus b over a x plus c over a equal to 0. You will write it as x square minus b over a x is equal to minus c over a. Now you can apply the formula for completing square and you will get x minus b over 2a whole square minus b over 2a whole square is equal to minus c over a. And this can be simplified as x minus b over 2a whole square is equal to b square over 4a square minus c over a. You can take LCM on right side, which is 4a square, and this is b square minus 4a c. Now you can take the square root on both sides and it will become x minus b over 2a and it will become x minus b over 2a is equal to plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. On further simplification, you will get x equal to b over 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. On taking LCM, you will get 2a and b plus minus b square minus 4ac equal to x. This is the solution for the first equation. Solution for the second equation, which is quadratic equation, is quadratic formula which gives you minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. So if you compare these two equations, you can find out that the only difference is here. Here you have plus value and here you have a negative value. So this is the only difference when we change the sign of the middle term x in the quadratic equation, we have a change in the sign here. Viewers, thanks for your precious time. Please subscribe to our channel Sara Pakistan and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Hope you will like and share this video within your circle. Stay connected and thanks for watching.